Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a new product called AvatarBuilder. So in this video, I'm going to show you what is exactly this product, what is AvatarBuilder, and then I will also include a demo video inside my bonus page. Also, I also have some exclusive bonus for you if you pick up this AvatarBuilder. And then finally, I will review the price and upsell as AvatarBuilder. So what is AvatarBuilder? AvatarBuilder is the only video animation app to feature next generation 3D animation, artificial intelligence and material and video technology inside one dashboard. AvatarBuilder comes loads with all the industry leading features to create video in any language in minutes. There is no need for expenses. A spokesperson, voice artist, or multiple voice apps. If you want to hire someone spokesman, voice over article, if you are so most company is free fiber, it will cost you a lot of money, but if it depends on how much time that they want to display their actor. So let's take a look at what is the sales page. What is the sales page of the AvatarBuilder? And let's take a look what is the and you can see that this is the sales page AvatarBuilder, and leverage the cutting edge 3D animation AI and our multiplayer and technology to create this video in any language in minutes. And you can see this is the first and only multi-purpose video maker feature customizable talking 3D avatar and AI creator. You can have ton of the feature that you can tap into. This is also an artificial intelligence speech, next generation logo making, dynamic scenes translation and transition video back and 20 per pixel video. World first visual custom 3D avatar builder, open canvas video builder, accurate speech to unlimited video render with low limit. This is also a ton of function that you can tap into. So let's take a look at what my exclusive bonus for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's take a look at what my exclusive bonus for you. Okay, and you can see the folks. Okay, see my bonus now. Okay, the first bonus, the bonus number one, you will get a package over 100 viral video 100 viral video coast video 100 viral coast image 100 chemistry and project file 100 PPT file and 100 background music and much more. This is also a very powerful package. You can grab this tons of this package. Bonus number two, you will get over 100 graphic design bundle. This is also this bundle contains the mock-up, all the boxes, testimonial templates, script pages, social button, navigation bar, and lots more. Bonus number three, you will get an instant access to over 350 royalty-free premium soundtrack. Just to the bonus number 1, 2, 3. If you want to buy it or outside, buy anything outside of or they will charge a monthly fee, or they will use it and maybe you would charge individual everything, and you will cost you much money, more cost you so much money. So just purchase number one, number two, and number three. This huge package will benefit for you if you will want to tap into this product. You can use it for yourself. Also, the bonus number 4, you will get get instant access to over 99 PR article. If you have a blog, they have no idea how to use it, and you can use it for PR for your inspiration. And also 200 also are included 2,500 email swipe. This is also you have for any online marketer. You have to build your email list, but you have no idea how to write your email list. This email swipe is ready made for you. emails write that you can for your inspiration and how you can customize in your own work you don't have to start everything else from scratch. This is also my 5 exclusive bonus if you pick up the front end. Also, if you pick up any upsell, I also have included another OTO bonus for you. OTO bonus number 1, you will get an e-com video maker. This is with commercial license that you can for the value is $497. Use the powerful video maker app to create conversion test get e-commerce video. Using ready-made video templates that are designed to get more traffic and sales to any e-commerce business is also very powerful to help you. If you tap into e-commerce, they will have the tons of ready-made video for you to use, for you ready to go. And OTO bonus number 2 you will get a 21-day AvatarBuilder the video mentorship training is also available for $497. And you will learn in this training you will learn how to sell your video to top dollar and also attract more big ticket client to sell this video you created with the AvatarBuilder. This 21 days of intensive training workshop will make you an expert. This is also a very exclusive bonus for you if you tap into this AvatarBuilder. And also you will pick up any upsell, it will help you how to sell this for big ticket or client, and also you will have more money you can make. And also the OTO bonus number 3 you will get a video thumbnail makeup app is also available for $67. You will skyrocket your click-through and video view using this newbie friendly video thumbnail makeup app. Attract more customers to your video and boost traffic, leads, and sales. Perfect to get more results with the video you create with AvatarBuilder. This is also you will get all my 3 exclusive bonus OTO bonus if you pick up any upsell as well. So if you want to know how to use the software, and also I have included a demo video inside my bonus page. If you want to watch the video and also to pick up my bonus, simply click the link below in the description. The first link you will come to my bonus page and you will see all my exclusive bonus. And also if you want go to the sales page and you can pick up and the first link come to my bonus page. If you press any blue button, all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus and inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer hit 0. And also you can watch the demo video inside my bonus page. The video will inside of my bonus page, and also you can see this. Also let's take a look what is the you will get about 70 minutes. About 70 minutes is also a very in-depth demo video of AvatarBuilder, how this software can help you to build a 3D and AI 3D and spokesman and in this software. So lastly, I also want to talk about what is the upsell as the price and upsell as well. Also, the AvatarBuilder is also the front end is also divided into personal and commercial. It's $37 or $47, but I highly recommend that you can grab it for commercial, because commercial you have the commercial right. Also you can sell it to provide this service to a client, and also you can make more money just for and $10. This one I highly recommend that you should grab commercial license $47 just for one time. This is also you can see you will get tons of function. You will include 20 function. And I also assembled Visual Custom AvatarBuilder, and also 1,000 ready-made video templates. Over 200 award-winning text-to-speech voice, speech-to-text transcription, millions of royalty-free image and video, and 720 pixel high-quality video, step-by-step training. Also come with commercial license. You can sell this video. Facebook group access, Skype mentorship group access. You also have 8-week training webinar. That is also just for one-time payment, $47. Also the number you can upsell number 1. You will get elite upgrade $47. you will get access to additional features worth thousands. You will get a 10x your result sales and profit and get ahead of other AvatarBuilder customer. It also will come with the 11 feature. I feature them. I also you will get a new 3D avatar monthly for 1 year. This is one time you will get a 3D avatar. You will get 3D avatar monthly for one-time payment for full year. Premium 嘅 text effect animation and force. Premium 嘅 stock image video asset library 200 premium 嘅 music file library Premium 嘅 vendors Amazon 嘅 cloud server proprietary vendor video vendorship vendor proprietary addresses to the future app updates. You will get just for everything. It's just for one-time payment $49. Upsell number 2 you will get an agency upgrade $67. You will skyrocket revenue and start selling your videos for $300 to $500 each with the powerful agency upgrade. And that is you will double your video length to 12 minutes. Where I think this is out of the fun, and you will have limitation under 10 minutes, 5 minutes or 3 minutes. But with agency you can upgrade to double your length. This is also just for 12 minutes. And also you can ready make a human voiceover for all templates. And also done for you video agency package done for you client contacts. You will get about over 50,000 video script and article step-by-step video how to sell video for your top dollar just for $67. You can sell it and how to build it. Everything is done for you and you can still also you have your client contract. You don't have to restart and repair yourself and you can ready to make money instantly. Upsell number 3 you will get template couple upgrade $39. You will get a brand new video templates from the hot list niche added to your account for 1 year. This is no monthly just for 1 year. Unlock 500 over 500 new template immediately. You will get about 50 per category. The last upsell is Voiceover upgrade $27. You will unlock 100 over 100 premium male and female text and speech voice in the most popular language and accent. And also you will instantly download to 200 human voiceover to on hot list niche topic can download the voiceover and use it in other voice video apps. In my opinion, I highly recommend that you can grab the front end for commercial because you will sell for your client for $47 one-time payment. And also you should and in my opinion, this also auto upgrade is also auto upgrade is is power is also much powerful for this AvatarBuilder software. But and also if you in my opinion you should at least grab the upsell number 1 is also elite upgrade. You will get tons of videos, tons of 10x your result sales and popularity with the upsell number 1 elite upgrade. You will get 3D text movie stock video 200 music file and premium cloud-based Amazon cloud-based. You will just for the upsell number 1. Upsell number 2 you will get more and agency if you more to everything is done for you and also you can have the contract and instantly how to build your client and ready to sell this your video created by the AvatarBuilder and you can grab upsell number 2 So that is also what with my opinion you should grab the if you are interested in this product and grab the commercial license and also the upsell number 1. If you want to sell this video as the agency you can upgrade to upsell number 2. Also, what is the benefit when you pick up this product? You will evident and immersion boost your authority save money attract more customer capture and keep attention and also you can create videos in any language. Also, don't forget that you can watch the demo video inside my bonus page. Also, don't forget that you can get all my exclusive bonus and also watch my video inside the bonus page. Simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to my bonus page. So lastly, I recap what my exclusive bonus for you. If you pick up the front end, I have 5 exclusive bonus for you. The bonus number 1 you will get over 100 video package. And bonus number 2, you will get another package, the over 100 嘅graphic design bundle 啦。Also the bonus number 3 啦， you will get over 350嘅premium sound check 啦。free 啦 is also save you tons of money 啦。Bonus number 3 you will get over 9900嘅PR article 啦。And bonus number 5 you will get 2500嘅 email swipe 啦。You will get 5 exclusive bonus if you just pick up the front end 啦。If you pick up any upsell, I also included the 3 exclusive bonus, the OTO bonus. OTO bonus number 1 e-commerce, the video maker also come with commercial license. The value is $497. OTO bonus number 2 you will get 20-day 21-day AvatarBuilder video mentorship training is also worth $497. And also you will get video thumbnail maker app it is worth $67. If you pick up any upsell and you will get all my exclusive OTO bonus number 1, number 2 and number 3 but in my opinion you should at least grab the upsell number 1. If you want to as an agent you can grab the upsell number 2 Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hit 0. Simply click the link below in the description. The first link they will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, simply click the blue button and go through the sales page. If you pick up the front end, you will get my 5 exclusive bonus. If you pick up any upsell and you will get my other 3 exclusive OTO bonus for you. All of the bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior process automatically. Thanks for taking time to check out AvatarBuilder review and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also I have other playlist in my YouTube channel and also included marketing tips idea make money online tips and also have multiple income stream multiple incomes of stream of income and in my playlist So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than the first link come to my bonus page and under the this bonus page, I also have some freebie for you. You can grab the free course I prepared for you, and also you can download the free report. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.